What are some of the other newly inserted provisions or changes in the BSA as compared to the older Evidence Act? Apart from increasing the scope of electronic evidence, the BSA also includes other new provisions. The scope of expert opinion has been broadened. It has been expanded to include any area where expert knowledge is required and not just limited to fields like handwriting or fingerprints as it was in the older IEA. Section 39 of the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam corresponds to Section 45 of the Indian Evidence Act, but it is broader in scope. For example, in cases involving complex technologies, expert opinions from fields like data science or cybersecurity can be more easily admitted. Judicial notice of international treaties. Courts can now take judicial notice of international treaties and agreements to which India is a party. Section 55 of the BSA is a new insertion. This section may be important in various international commercial disputes. Since international treaties are mostly public knowledge and can be verified easily through government sources, courts can directly consider such international treaties if they are relevant to a case, without needing any specific proof of these treaties. So it speeds up the resolution process. And the definition of secondary evidence has been broadened to include oral and written admissions and the testimony of persons skilled in examining documents. Section 58 of the BSA expands on the Section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act.